Hi there! Today I'll show you how to use the Income and Expense Tracker template, which can be purchased on our website SpreadsheetsHub.com. It's an easy way to track your finances, manage your budget, and stay in control of your money. Before you begin, take a moment to review the instructions on the first page. They'll help you understand how the template works. In the first step, you need to specify the main categories and budgets. Next, in the transaction table, you need to enter a list of current transactions. The monthly sheet block shows how to view data by month. Next, it shows how to view annual data. In the section, we will look at how to view analytics for a selected period. Start filling the model by entering data on the settings sheet. Select a year. Select base currency. Next, you need to list the main categories and budgets in the tables. Let's enter an example of income categories. Enter the monthly budget. Enter the categories in the bills table. Enter the budget. Enter the categories in the expenses table. Enter the budget. Enter the categories in the savings table. Enter the budget. Enter the categories in the debt table. Enter the budget. Enter examples of categories for investments. Enter the budget. Please note that the budget must be provided on a monthly basis, since the analysis relies on monthly calculations. The next step is to move on to the transactions sheets. This is where you'll enter your actual budget data. In the table, you need to fill in all columns except the amount column, which is calculated automatically. Let's enter some transaction examples. The category drop-down menus are created automatically using the data from the settings sheet. You can also enter transactions in different currencies. They'll be converted to your base currency automatically using the current exchange rate. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue, and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. It's best not to change the formula cells, as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data and click OK when prompted. As you can see, the formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. Next, move on to the sheet with the analysis of monthly data. On this sheet, You only need to select the year and month, and all data will be updated automatically. The model is in English by default, but if you want to translate the tables into another language, you can use our TranslateHub tool. It's quick, accurate, and super easy to use. You'll find the link in the description below. Now, let's get back to the model. Let's take a look at what data you can see on this sheet in more detail. On the budget and actual chart, you can compare budget and actual data. You can also view more detailed information on the amounts in the data overview table. Structured charts give you a clear visual breakdown of each category. These charts make it easy to see how your money is divided across categories so you can understand where it goes and adjust your budget if needed. The income distribution chart gives you a clear picture of how your income is allocated across categories, helping you plan more effectively. More detailed information on the amounts for each category can be found in the tables below. Please note that only transactions that fall within the selected time period will be included in the analysis. If you made any transactions outside of this range, for example in a different month, they will not be counted. Next, move on to the sheet for analyzing annual data. The data on this sheet is updated automatically. You only need to select the year. The Data Overview section shows monthly information for each category. The data on amounts can also be viewed in the table. You can analyze the structure of annual data on income, bills, expenses, savings, debt, and investments using pie charts. These structural charts make it easy to see how each category contributes to the whole. Information on the amounts can be found in the tables below. If you'd like to analyze a custom time period, the data in the Custom Overview sheet will help you do that. On this sheet, you can select the desired period. And all tables and charts will be updated automatically. The data analysis chart provides a visual overview of each category's size, while the table below gives detailed values. This chart gives insight into the composition and distribution of your income. The sheet also includes structural charts for each category, helping you analyze them individually and make informed budgeting decisions. Like the other analysis sheets, this one includes tables below that outline the amounts for each category. Just a quick technical note I wanted to clarify. If you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try entering your own budget and see just how easy it is to stay on top of your finances. The template is available for download via the link in the description. For more personalized solutions, our team can build custom tables tailored to any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights, along with an open affiliate program for those interested. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.